Well, hello, all my poor people. It's Michael Diederich here. I'm just a poor boy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I have a new video for you. It is a shorter video than usual, and I'll tell you why in a minute. A lot of you have been asking me some questions, and one of the questions has to do with skins. People say that I talk about skins when I'm talking about jewelry, and they don't understand what skins are. So I thought I would explain what skins are and how they are made. Now, this video, that you're watching now, is actually kind of a continuation of my last video. If you haven't seen that video, it's no big deal, but if you're interested in watching the progression of what's happening, I would recommend clicking on this card here and going back and watching that video first. In that video, I made some lovely green colors, 5 of them, and I used some copper and some white, and I poured some objects. I poured a tray, lovely tray. I poured some shelves for an interesting unit that you can hang on the wall in like a bathroom or a kitchen. Well, you could hang it anywhere, actually. And I also had enough paint to do some bonus pours. And those bonus pours are 2 vases. And the funny thing is, I did those pours after I filmed the video you're about to watch because I had plenty of extra paint left. And I thought, I want to show people how to make skins because there are pretty much 2 ways to do it. And I'm going to show you both in this video. The first way is if you are pouring an object, oftentimes your canvas or whatever it is you're pouring on is horizontal, and as you're manipulating, paint will fall off. And if you pour onto a silicone mat, that paint will dry and it's easy to peel it off. And what you peel off is known as the skin. Yeah. So you can do it that way, which is just using the leftover paints, but you can also take the paint that's left over in your cup and you can actually pour it onto the mat and make skins that way. Now, there's advantages and disadvantages to both. With the leftovers, usually it's mixed up a little bit more. The chance that it's going to get muddy, as they call it, is greater. But those patterns are usually smaller and closer together, which makes it easier to make small objects of jewelry, especially things like, matching earrings or cufflinks, because everything's together. However, if you want to make like dramatic, large necklace hangers, then here it is. Sorry, my dog just made a quick guest appearance. However, if you want to make larger pieces of jewelry, for example, large amulet-style necklace hangers, then you're going to want some, dramatic colors, a bold, the sweeping with swirls through it. And you can achieve that a lot easier when you're in control. So if you actually pour the paint onto the canvas and manipulate it that way, you'll get less mud, you'll get more definition in your colors, and you can make jewelry that way. So in this video, I show you what happens after I poured those 3 objects. You can see the skins, how I manipulate the paint that's on the mat to turn them into skins, and then how I use the extra paint to make even more skins. And I actually use these skins in my upcoming jewelry collection. I'll give you a little sneak peek of that at the end of the video. But this is just the first step, because some people are saying, well, skins, but how do you make the jewelry? I've actually filmed most of that video, and it's coming very, very soon. So if you are interested in using acrylics to make jewelry, I have a how-to video coming up very soon after this one, so stay tuned. But for now, how do you make skins for jewelry? Check it out. Here we go. Hey everyone, so check it out. I just did this pour. I was going for like a green and copper color combination, and I made sure to get it on my Lilifefe silicone mat. Love this thing because I'm using the skins to make jewelry. So what I do is then I just clean everything away, and I'm actually going to manipulate the paint on the mat.
some nice lines in there, nice color combinations. And I find that if it's thinned out a little bit, then number one, the skins dry more evenly and faster, and it's so much easier to apply. Okay, so we've done that. Now what I'm going to do is so I'll find some nice stuff in there, but boy, here's going to be some gorgeous pieces. Stay tuned. So yeah, that's how you can also see, these are the natural skins. Now you'll see that there's some small sections that are really great for making the tiny stones, especially for like earrings and yeah, regular rings, bracelets with smaller settings. But these ones are better for making larger stones. And from these colors, then you'll get a collection, but like you'll have one here, you go, there's no olive green in it, and then you go, oh wow, this one's got so much copper in it. You're gonna make so many different kinds here, but it'll all be part of the same family. Okay, here's the close-up of the skins made from the drippings from the tray and the shelves. You can also see here the skins that I made by hand by pouring on the sides of my mat. Look at the close-ups, beautiful colors. Now I've actually turned these skins into jewelry already. They aren't on my site yet, but here's a sneak preview. As you can see, I do a lot of round necklace hangers. They are super popular. You can see I've got copper, gold, silver, Tibetan, even wooden. I do all sorts of different shapes. I'll put them on different chains, on leather cables, but not just round. I also do non-circular shapes like hearts, ovals, squares, rectangles. I've got a variety of jewelry, including rings, earrings, bracelets, cufflinks. Check out everything that I have to offer on my site, www.imjustapoorboy.nl. I'm Michael Diederich. I'm Just a Poor Boy. Thanks for watching.